listen. Hey, listen, okay? Raccoons, they kill our chickens. That's okay. It's okay. 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 It's okay. He's not suffering no more, sweetheart. Okay. See? Take a breath. Take a breath. It's okay. I love you. It was, the wind's 20-30 mile an hour. We're under a tornado watch, but we had to get up the blind and check the trout this morning before the storms got here. So we ended up catching one, and so
So today has been full of cleaning the coon, preparing to tan the hide, which I have him soaking outside now, in salt water. I'll refresh that in the morning. It's got to soak overnight. So we have never had fried raccoon. So that's about to take place tonight. I grew up coon hunting all through high school. Caught a bunch, killed a bunch, never ate them. Trained a bunch of dogs, never ate one. Never thought about it. But that's about to stop tonight. So we're gonna cut him up into bite-sized pieces here. Some flour, some egg, and then back in the egg, and then back in the flour, and then into some hot grease. So here we go. You know, one cannot just simply cook plain meat. It don't matter if it's deer meat or chicken or whatever.
Oh my gosh, the Tonys.
That's what I'm talking about. Yeah, you gotta give it a little bite. Alright, so here we go. My grease ain't hot enough yet. Up a little bit. Let him lay there a minute.
Daddy's cooking the raccoon.
We got the raccoon ready to go. Everybody's excited, but Mom, it's gonna be epic. It's gonna be really good.
Tell them what you're doing.
We are cooking fried raccoon.
It's been soaking.
It's been soaking in salt water all day. We caught him last night, got him this morning, cut him up, skin him. Gonna tan the hide. We're going to tan his hide and hang it up in my load room. And we have cooked him. And I have prepared quite a meal here. I'm excited.
So what do you do?
Smells good. Got some flour, some egg, and then back in the flour and then into the grease. It's great. Yep. Kids are all excited. Everybody's in here with me. Not.
Mom can care less.
Mom could care less.
Oh no,
Yep. That's pretty much where we're at. I'll let you know how it goes. I think it's gonna be awesome. And when they find out how good it really is and want me to go get some more, that's when it's gonna be on. And that's coming. But for now, we'll stay with this.
So he's gonna cook it to us, golden brown plus to make sure it is done like it's supposed to be.
I've prepared this just like I've prepared any other game. Squirrel, deer, rabbit, whatever, same thing. They wouldn't know what they were eating if I didn't tell them. I do that a lot. They eat a lot of things they didn't know they were eating. They said it was really good, so I didn't tell them.
Alright, there's our first taste test of the raccoon.
It's actually really good. That's what I'm talking about, I told you. Got one more batch left. So far we've had one taste tester and he said it was delicious, just as I thought. So we'll whip this one out right quick. And then it'll be on. I'm telling y'all, when y'all say it's good, go get us another one. I don't want to hear it. So, grease warm back up. Just a few more small pieces. You want to cut them in, I'll cut these into bite-sized pieces. Maybe we'll do the next one a little bigger or something, I don't know. We'll see. About out of egg. Here we go. First time. Okay. I don't know what y'all eating.
Gonna try some coon?
Move back. This is our coon. We'll get this scrape real good. This is our coon that we caught in our trap yesterday morning. He didn't get scraped real good at all. My tanning recipe, my tanning skills here suck. But we're gonna do the best we can with him. Try to get him tanned up. We're gonna give him a bath right now. He's been soaking in salt water all night. I got him inside out, as you can tell. Again, I didn't do a real good job. We're gonna get him a bath in salt water and get him dried off, rinsed off, get a good bath, dry him off, turn him back inside out, and he's gonna set in salt, a big thick layer of heavy salt for about 10 or 15 days. And that we hope will help cure him out, and we'll get some tanning stuff, and we'll go from there. And maybe it'll come out pretty good. We're gonna try it. It's our first go. See, he needs scraping.
That ain't my kitchen knife, is it? That ain't my kitchen knife, is it?
It looks like it. Only to the untrained eye. I can't scrape him. He needs to be clean. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
It just don't work. Maybe that salt stuff will, I don't know. right, and then we'll wash them off. Most folks, when they do this, they put them in a washing machine, and could not coach her into letting me do that.
No.
So that's how they do it. And then they dry them. So after he gets a good bath, they put them in a dryer. And she refused to let me do that too. We get him flipped inside right here. Look at that. I want you to look how pretty that is. Huh? How you doing? Huh? How you doing? But he did. Like I say, my scraping skills ain't exactly up to par, but I'm gonna do the best we can with him. Get him dried off. That don't look right. Nose up here, bud. That's better. How you doing?
Oh.
Clean and pretty, huh? he cleans up nice. Look at that. Every day you get a coon bath, huh? That's awesome. How you doing?
Oh my gosh.
What's up?
Ugh.
And then every day you get to give a coon a bath. Cleans up nice. She's gonna be beautiful. Where do you want to put these towels in dirty clothes, huh?
I need you to go the other way.
Can't believe you're not gonna wash them.
Oh no. Oh no.
I'm disappointed.
Not in my
Get
house.
the towel away.
Not in my house.
Hey, Willie.
That's just nasty.
Yeah. He cleans up good. Hey, Willie. All right. Oh, look out. I lost another ring or so of his pelt during my unprofessional cleaning process. Be all right. His face didn't come out good as I thought it would. I need to go get my thing to work on.
Mark, where did you hang that cane at?
He's just hanging around the flag. Climbed up the pole.
I hear ya.
Get him a good layer of salt, they say to lay in. Excuse me. Hope we can get him off the flagpole. How you doing? Hey girl, what you drinking?
I hear ya.
This part I don't like, but it is what it is. him out. It's not cleaned real well, so I don't know how well this is going to work. Here we go. Arms out. Move up. Stop. Everybody else that I've seen that does this, they're all slick and shiny now. That slimy is gone. Mine's not. Hey. Alright, so we'll just lay him in here and give him a good salting. Make sure everything's covered real good. That's all I can do. Yeah, I don't know if this is gonna be. So you put salt on them to preserve it. Just a good layer of salt, and that's what preserves the meat. Or not the meat, but the hide. Tail way down here. So he'll sit like this for the next 10 or 14 days. And then we'll get him back out and see what he looks like. See what we need to do, anything you need to do, if we need to do anything different. Alrighty. We'll see what he looks like. Thanks for watching. Alright, so we had a small change of plans a while ago. We got to looking at it, and I had him in that smaller box and salt on the bottom, and I folded him over, and it just wasn't working for me. So we went and got this bigger box. We laid him out flat at an angle like this. I curved his tail around, nice bed of salt under the bottom of him, nice bed of salt on top of him. And this is going to become his final resting spot for the next 14 days. After that, we'll get him back out, dust him off, see what we need to trim and shake off of him. And I've got some tanning solution ordered. And that's what'll make him real soft and workable. I had to work him around a board and get him loosened up, but that's what'll make him soft and hopefully shiny. We'll see how it works. Thanks for watching Simply Southern Roots.